Earlier this month, on the 4th of October, the island of Haiti was struck by Hurricane Matthew. The most powerful hurricane to hit the Caribbean in almost a decade. Claiming upwards of 1,000 lives, the hurricane has devastated much of the island's infrastructure, causing over $1 billion worth of damage, destroying homes, schools, and hospitals. Over 500,000 people in Haiti are suffering and are in dire need of food, clean water, medical attention, and safe shelter. Al-Khair Foundation has sent teams into Haiti in order to fully assess the situation so that we can make arrangements for long-term assistance and further distributions. Our team has also made an initial distribution of emergency supplies. Currently, we have provided over 500 bed sheets, 600 sleeping bags, 1,200 hygiene kits, and crates of bottled water.
Haiti में जर्मनी में है ये basically अभी ये जो मैथ्यू हरिकेन था उसके affected area है सारा one of the most affected area है so उसके suburbs में आज हम आए हैं need assessment भी किया है और हम आज इन सब लोगों को hygiene kits supply कर रहे हैं sleeping bags हैं इसके अलावा water है क्योंकि पानी का सबसे ज़्यादा मसला है यहाँ पे food का मसला है तो वो सारी चीज़ें आज हम इनको supply कर रहे हैं और further देख रहे हैं कि क्या-क्या और require है इन सब लोगों को
To help us to continue to provide life-saving aid to the people of Haiti, or for more information, please call us on 03000 999 786 or visit us online at alkhair.org.